gonna start with a nice cleanse on the face, and then after the cleanse, we're gonna go ahead and go into the analyzation of your skin to see what's going on, what's problems, which you don't have any, so you don't have to worry about it. You're doing great. So we're gonna put a few drops on my face. Soap. Cleanser. Just cold sensation.
Hey, Laurel, say hi to Kalia. She's with Ben.
Oh, hey.
Oh, Ben, this is Kalia.
Hey, Kalia, how you
used to
doing?
be our receptionist.
All right, Kalia, it's nice to meet you.
Wait,
Right.
I think you're in the middle of fentanyl.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh, I'm sorry, Ben. They're ridiculous.
It's okay. Oh, God. You really interrupted me. You guys are in my... You're really interrupting. Like, damn. Really cold-blooded. That's good. Mm-hmm. No, seriously. That's really good. Close to 50 maybe, but even then that's a stretch because you still have a lot of weight.
Bald around their 20s.
Yeah, it's stress is a motherfucker. Like, it really will fuck you up. Men and women, you know what I mean? Like hormonally, it really will change everything. And so I thought about it. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna grow my hair as long as I can. Shit. I don't want to go bald at all. It looks crazy. I mean, certain people can rock a bald hair, you know, bald do, but I don't. My head's too big for that. Like, you have to have like a nice symmetrical, aerodynamic face or something. I don't have that. I have like a pie face.
No, I think yours would work.
Well, if I lost weight, yeah, it probably would. Like if I got back in Marine shape, oh yeah, it probably would. Because even in the Marine Corps, like when we first get there, yeah, they shave our heads. I'm like, wow, I pretty much look crazy. I mean, not too bad with all the hair. That's the only time I've ever seen my hair bald. But it was okay though, you know, because I was in shape. All the bacteria out, but then close them up as well. There's a lot of soaps and chemicals on the market that keep your pores open for a long time, which is bad because when you're sleeping or resting, those free radicals or the bad air mess with your skin. You know what I mean? It collects a lot of dust, debris, viruses, anything that's lingering in there.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So if your pores are open, guess what? You're catching all of that stuff. And then what's on your pillow? If you're slobbing down and kissing on your significant other, whoever it is, if they're not too clean, you're bringing on other germs from them. Especially when men have like beards, like those manly beards, you know, like boy caveman beards. Yeah, beards have so much nasty stuff in them because we don't clean our, you know, well, I do, but most men don't because we're not trained to do that stuff. But beards are nasty; they're filthy.
Oh, I've heard.
A lot of stuff hiding, dead skins, dead bacteria, everything. Just hiding, lurking. So how do you like school so far? Everything's good? No problems?
I love it. It's great.
Cool. Yeah, I can tell you take it very seriously, which is wonderful. I think you take everything seriously, like that's worth it, you know what I mean? You're that type of person. You don't play around, which is good.